And that was monster truck.
It's monster truck night, and I had to bring my boys. Check it out.
Coming from the PNW, this is Dave Tucker in X-Max.
This was an older monster truck. It did put on a show. It was having technical issues all night until it finally broke down. It had trouble turning. It had to actually reverse to make the actual turns. Keep turning off all night. But like I said, it did put on a great show. Not very fast of a truck either. It looks kind of older. Maybe that's why.
California. Yeah. This is Juan Munoz in Unnamed and Untamed.
Now, this was one of the best monster trucks of the night. He kept doing big jumps, got big air, pretty fast of a truck. I think he got first place, if I'm not mistaken, or second. I'm not too sure about that. And look at him showing off with the donuts.
Let him hear it, ladies and gentlemen. It's Juan Munoz, unnamed and untamed. There he is coming out.
And then it was time for us to go on the monster trucks. Let's go for a ride. Damn! This is crazy. Hold on, guys. And like everything good, the ride had to end, but it was worth the $20.
Oh man, look at all the line. I'm really glad it was early.
While we got a little bit of time.
And it's time for the dance-off competition.
right, that's gonna be it. All right, what do you think of Mario? Your Crocs have a whole bunch of cars on them. I didn't even notice that. That's kind of cool. All right, let's give it up for this one right here. Not bad. How about the dancing Grogu? Okay. How about the dancing grandma? Okay. I'm sorry, but you have been eliminated. In fourth place. Give it up for fourth place. And I'm sorry, you have to stay back here. No, you can go ahead and sit down now. Third place, right there. Okay, we got two left.
What do you go? Let's go for Java.
Hold on.
Michael.
Should I get the time of my life for Dirty Dancing out? Maybe dance together? Okay, last one. Last song. Let's see if they can do it.
What is love?
Here comes. It's Sherry Bliss. Always the party pooper. Both of you two, come and see me. The one thing you have to remember, ladies and gentlemen, these looks like doesn't look like he's gonna get that one. I was gonna give him the song too. Is he gonna turn and burn? Let's see. Just trying to see if it can work.
Thank you for watching till the end. Make sure you like and subscribe, leave a comment, and stay tuned for more giveaways. And the best way to end the night is with a full moon.